Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I have something that I hope my wife doesn't see or else she's gonna make me upgrade her, but it's a new Dell XPS 13. So this is the old version that my wife actually has. She has the black one with the carbon fiber, but this is what we used to have over here. However, Dell has improved that to match over here to have a much better screen to body ratio display that's just really impressive. Now, it did switch to a 16:10 display, which I actually like better. I like 16:10 more than 16:9. And you have it still very lightweight, 2.64 pounds, 10th generation processor on here, and you still have your Thunderbolt 3 connections. Again, very light. You still have the same fiber weaving that you have on the white one from before, and the bezel is just getting thinner and thinner on the sides and on the bottom and up top. You still have the webcam on here as they changed it to last year, but overall just a really impressive design in comparison between the two. It just really shows off well. It is something that it looks really good, and again, if my wife sees it, she's going to be like, I want that one. So we'll have to wait and see. The keyboard has changed as well in terms of how it operates. I do like it. It's still very responsive. I'm a big fan of Dell's keyboard, so overall I think it's a really nice upgrade, but the screen is the highlight of it, and if you're upgrading or looking for a light and portable laptop, this is still extremely light, great, works perfectly, and if you have, like me, an external GPU, you can literally game and do everything on this with that concept as well, just by a Thunderbolt 3 attachment. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.